little warm there.
It'll be alright.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
What's your name?
Dion.
Dion of Hunter.
Alright.
What's up, brother?
How you doing? Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, my name's Hunter. I got 2 ZB5 18s on a JP83.
Nice. You're electrical?
A 370 amp alternator, 120 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Did you build this?
Not the box.
Okay.
No.
So do you know like cubic space or tuning or anything?
Yeah, it's 13 cubes net.
Okay.
28 tuned to 28, and I think the port volume is like 14 and a half.
Okay. Any SPL tests on it?
Yeah, I did a 55 at 34.
Alright. That's
Not
good.
bad.
Did you do any kind of work on the roof or
Yeah,
back area?
2 layers of sound deadener. I got wood across the bottom or the back.
Okay.
I got 4 layers of sound deadener in all the doors.
Nice.
And then obviously this pole.
Yeah. Any plans on roof work? Any like wood roof or
For my
anything?
class, I have. When I
okay.
was running my class before, I couldn't run the wood roof.
Got it.
But now that I upgraded the amp, I can. I guess I can wood it now. But
Yeah.
I haven't got around to it.
Got it. Nice. Looks good. And what vehicle?
It's a 13 Dodge Ram.
Okay. I think that's all. Don't want to ask too many questions.
No, you're good.
I can always ask more. I like to learn. All right, one more question.
Sure.
Have you tried inverting them just to see?
Also with my class, I got to be 12 inches from the roof.
Okay.
But the box is small.
Okay.
It doesn't dig on the bottom end because I think the box is too small for them. This box was designed for 5 BTL UFOs, old school.
Yeah.
That's what the box was
Okay.
designed for.
Got it. All right.
But no, it peaks at 34.
That's pretty good then. Yeah.
Not bad.
Good score too.
Yeah.
You're happy with it, sounds like.
Not really.
Want louder?
I do, yeah.
I was trying to see where your amp is.
It's on this side.
Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Nice. A half ohm?
You got 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. There. Yeah, it has a really high pitch peak frequency point where it just feels like it has a high throw point to it. So I don't know if it's like a 42, 43 hertz range or 32, 33, or 30. I don't know what your peak is, but it sounds like it's throwing a really good on one of them song notes.
Believe it or not, it peaks at 34.
Wow, really? A little lower.
It sounds
Okay.
like,
It sounds a little
like
louder.
It's peaking in the 40s, doesn't
Yeah.
it? But it peaks at 34.
It's pretty good then. Yeah.
Not bad.
Good score too.
Yeah.
You're happy with it, sounds like. Yeah.
Not really.
Want louder?
I do, yeah.